Morning, students. As we know, we are reading lesson 6, the 100 dresses second. We have reached its concluding lines or the last shots of this story. We are starting from page number 78, from the last paragraph, and today we will focus on the conclusion of this story along with the question answers. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. Maddie went home and she pinned her drawing over torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in her bedroom. The shabby room came alive from brilliancy of the colors. Her room was dirty, not beautiful, and it was shabby, and now it has come alive with the brilliancy of the colors or brightness of the different colors. The room has become colorful. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. And as she sees her drawing made by Wanda, only one thought comes in her mind, that how she stood nearby her and spoke not a single word. How nice the girl was, Wanda. Tears blurred her eyes. Tears blurred her eyes. Blurred here means make difficult to see. Tears have come from her eyes and she can see not clearly. She is not able to see anything clearly because of tears that have blurred in her eyes. And she gazed for a long time at the picture. And she is gazing for a long time. Gazed means stared for a long time at the picture. Then hastily means quickly. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. Quickly she rubbed her eyes and started to observe this drawing very carefully. The colors in the dress were so vivid. Vivid here means graphic, so clear in mind, like living thing. Colors appeared in that drawing very clearly, like a living being, that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing, but it looked like her. The head in the drawing looked like her head. Maddie, it really looked like her own mouth. The drawing in which the sketch of the girl was drawn looked like Maddie's face and head and mouth. Why it really looked like her own self. Wanda had really drawn this for her. Wanda had drawn this painting with her heart and with her love. how she loved her very well, and Vanda had really drawn this for her. It seems that drawing was looking so vivid and living, like a living creature, and her head and mouth resembled very much with the mouth and head of Maddie. And Vanda had drawn this painting by her heart. Excitedly she ran over to Peggy's home. And excitedly means enthusiastically. She ran with great zeal, great eagerness. She ran to Peggy's home. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. Now she wants to see Peggy's picture after her. What's the matter? Peggy asked. What's the matter? What happened? Why do you want to see my picture? She would have asked like that. As they clattered means made a loud sound. As they clattered up to her room, where Vanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed, or a loud sound of their chatting was coming from the bedroom of Peggy, where the drawing was lying. Maddie carefully raised it. Look, she drew you. That's you. Maddie is telling her that this is your picture, Peggy. She's telling her that it was Peggy's own picture. Peggy's face and mouth and head was there. And that's you. That is you in the picture, she exclaimed. And the head and the face of this picture did look like Peggy. Also, the drawing of Peggy looked like her. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. वो कहती है कि मेरी पिक्चर के अंदर मेरी तस्वीर या मेरा सिर और चेहरा या मुंह बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम है, और तुम्हारी पिक्चर बनाई है उसने, जिसमें तुम बिल्कुल हुबहू दिख रही हो। कितना वो हमको प्यार करती थी, इसलिए उसके from the depth of her heart she has drawn this painting for us. कुछ भी हो, सचमुच वो हमें बहुत प्यार करती थी. Yes, she must have agreed, Maddie. पैगी भी एग्री होती है और मैडी भी. Both agreed. Both are here talking about Vanda. Both are talking about Vanda. Maddie told Peggy that Vanda had drawn the drawing for her. Actually, she had drawn both of them in her drawings. Peggy told Maddie that she did not say that Vanda had liked them anyway. Maddie agreed. She had tears in her eyes when she thought of Vanda looking at the laughing girls. There were 100 of them there. In this way, this is the conclusion that yes, she must have agreed, Maddie. And she blinked away, winked her eyes with tears. Blinked away tears, यानी कि आँखों से जो है आंसुओं को ब्लिंक करके दूर करना. That came every time she thought of Vanda. जब कभी वो वेंडा के बारे में सोचती थी तो उसकी आंखें भर आती थी आंसुओं से, और फिर वो उनको साफ करती थी. Standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard. How Vanda used to stand in the schoolyard in the sunny environment, sunny spot, looking stolidly over at the group of laughing girls after she had walked off. Very seriously and sincerely she stood in the schoolyard and looked at the girls who were laughing. And after some time she had walked off after she had said, when she had said, sure, 100 of them all lined up. After saying this line, she moved away from schoolyard. So this is very heart-touching story, and again you should read and learn the question answer, learn the word meanings of this chapter of this story. And now we will discuss the question answers which you have to learn and which you have to write in your notebooks. Oral comprehension check. What did the girls write to Vanda? What did the girls write to Vanda? The girls wrote to Vanda that she had won the contest and that her drawings were very pretty. They also asked her how she liked her new place and her new teacher. These things they have written in the letter. Now, second question, did they get reply? Did they get reply from Vanda? No, the girls did not get any reply. Who was more anxious for reply? It was Maddie. It was Maddie who was more anxious for reply. While Peggy had begun to forget all about the matter, Maddie always went to sleep thinking about Vanda. Peggy did not care so much about Vanda, but Maddie was very careful about Vanda, and she always went to sleep thinking about Vanda with tears in her eyes. In her thoughts, she would even get angry with the girls who tried to tease Vanda, and she was also angry and annoyed with those girls who always tried to tease Vanda. This is Maddie's side, that she was so conscious about Vanda. The third question, how did the girls know that Vanda liked them even though they had teased her? How did the girls know that Vanda liked them? वो गर्ल्स को ये कैसे मालूम पड़ता था कि वेंडा की मजाक उड़ाने के बावजूद भी वो, या उसको चिढ़ाने के बावजूद भी वो उनसे प्यार करती थी? Vanda had left for the girls 2 of her drawings. The drawings showed not only lovely dresses but also the heads and faces of the 2 girls. It showed how Vanda liked the 2 girls. 2 girls here, Maddie and Peggy. This is the question answers of oral comprehension check. These questions are very easy. You can answer, you can learn very well. Now you do yourself thinking about the text. There are 6 questions All these questions are easy to do and easy to learn, and find out their answers in your text, because story I have cleared before you and everything is clear. So you have to do the question answers yourself. However, if you face any difficulty to find out the answers, you can ask me and I will surely help you. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself, your elders and youngers. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day once again.